Wrench exact fuse box location plus relay guide for Lifan X50 passenger compartment fuse box. The block is on the driver's side. For access, it is recommended to remove the glove box. New fuse box diagrams and relay guides every week. Subscribe now to Car Fuse tab. Engine compartment. The fuse box is located near the battery.